In this video, you'll learn how to search flights by price on Google Flights. Whether you're planning a vacation or a quick weekend trip, being able to filter by cost is one of the easiest ways to find options that fit your budget without spending hours comparing every single ticket. Let's start with the basics. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Flights website. You can also reach it by searching for Google Flights in Google and clicking the official link. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a simple search area where you can enter your departure city, your destination, your travel dates, and the number of travelers. Go ahead and fill in those details based on the trip you're planning. After you've entered your basic trip information, look over the page to make sure everything is correct. Your cities, the dates, whether it's a one-way or round-trip flight, and the number of passengers. When everything looks good, confirm the search to load the available flights. Google Flights will now display a list of options that match your criteria, usually sorted by what it considers the best combination of price and convenience. Now it's time to focus on the price filter. On the results page, you'll see several filter options across the top or along the side of the screen, such as stops, airlines, times, and more. Look for the option labeled price. This is the filter that lets you control how much you're willing to spend on your flight. Click on the price filter to open it. When you open the price filter, you'll see a slider or a range selector showing the minimum and maximum prices for the flights currently available on your route. This is where you can adjust the price range. Slowly drag the slider to set the highest price you're comfortable paying. As you move it, you'll usually see the number of matching flights changing in real time, which gives you a sense of how your budget affects your options. Take a moment here to experiment. If you set the maximum too low and no flights appear, gently increase the price until a reasonable number of options show up. If you have some flexibility, you might raise the maximum a bit to see if you can get better flight times or fewer layovers for a slightly higher fare. You can always move the slider back down if the prices go beyond what you want to spend. Once you've adjusted the price range to a level that works for you, close the filter or simply click back on the main results area. Google Flights will automatically refresh and show updated results that match your price settings. Now, you're only seeing flights that fall within the budget you chose, which makes comparing options much easier. From here, you can scroll through the filtered results and look at details like departure times, layovers, total travel duration, and airline choices, all while knowing that every option stays within your selected price range. If you decide your budget can stretch a little or needs to be tighter, just reopen the price filter and adjust the range again. The results will update each time. That's all there is to it. By starting your search on Google Flights, using the price filter, adjusting the price range, and then reviewing the updated results, you can quickly find flights that match both your travel plans and your budget.